great. So first of all, let's go to backdrop. This is a backdrop that you can take any backdrop here. So I will pick forest. Now let's go to sprite. This is a sprite that you can take anything here. So let's go to people. And you can take any people what you want. So we'll take princess. Now, in princess, we have to go to events when green flag click. Then we have to go to looks, say hello for 2 seconds. I don't want for 2 seconds. I want that she will say hello for 3 seconds. And then you have to go to control and pick that 1 second. Wait. 2 seconds. Now, we want another character so she can talk with it. So let's go to sprite and let's search here Gobo. This one. So now we want Gobo that the Gobo will face princess face. So let's go to costumes and say flip horizontal. Now it's fine. Now we want that Gobo will talk. He will also say something. So we have to go to events when green flag click. Then we have to go to looks and say hello for 2 seconds. Now we don't want that he will say hello. So you can also name the princess. So I will name the princess Maya. So now let's go to Gobo. And now I will say that Gobo will say, hi Maya. Yeah. For 2 seconds. Now let's go to control and pick wait 1 second. So I don't want 1 second, I want 3 seconds. Let's see. Now you can see princess say hello and the Gobo say hi Maya. So now we want that the Maya will say let's go to the another city. So now let's go to looks and pick say hello for 2 seconds. Now I don't want hello. I will write let's go to city. City. Then they will go to the another city. Let's go to motion, switch backdrop to colorful 50. So now we want that we have to pick a colorful 50 forest and pick if there isn't colorful 50, we can go to the backdrop and take colorful 50. Now it's fine and right colorful 50. So now we want that they will go back to the forest, then they will come to the city. So let's take switch backdrop to forest. So now you can see. And switch backdrop to the forest. So now we don't want this backdrop to put it here. We have to go to events when green flag click. Now you can see. Look, she's saying hello. And then she's saying, hi Maya. The princess says, let's go to the city. Then they went. So now we want that another character will come. Another character will come to the colorful city. So let's go to Sprite and search Giga. Now it's fine. So now in Giga, we want in forest she will be hide, she wouldn't be there, and in colorful city she will be show, she will be there. So we have to go to events when backdrop switches to forest. So then go to looks, there will be hide, and when switch backdrop. When backdrop switches to colorful city, then the Giga will be shown. Now you can see there isn't Giga. Now you can see. So now we want Giga that she will also talk. So let's move them that we can have space. Go to events when green flag click. Then go to control and pick well 1 second. Wait 7 seconds. 7 seconds. Then let's go to looks. Say hello for 2 seconds. So now you can see that the Gobo is saying and Princess saying let's go to city, and then Giga shot in the colorful city and say hello. So now so first I will show you the method 1, wait 1 second, and the method 2 is broadcast message 1. So now let's go to Princess. So what we will do in Princess, we have to go to control and pick broadcast message 1 in event survey broadcast message 1. So pick this and put it here. So my message is, so now let's go to Giga and what you will do, you have to pick when I receive message 1. So let's click message 1 and new message I will write message 2. Okay, now I have message 2. Then I don't want in Giga, I want this in Gobo. So in Gobo there is, so let's remove this from Giga and put this in Gobo. When I receive message 1, new message 2. You can see, okay. Now I have message 2, and then I want that Gobo will also talk to the Giga and say hello. Go to looks, say hello for 2 seconds. Now I don't want hello, so I will say but the Gobo will not talk to Giga. Gobo will say to the princess, I like the city. So let's write, I like this city. don't want that the Giga will say hello. I want that the Giga will say welcome. Come to the new place. Welcome. So now let's start the story. The princess say hello. Then the girl both say hi, Maya, and you can see. Now you can make your own story like this. So bye, subscribe and like to my channel. See you